Hey guys, it's Sunny here. Welcome back to my channel. If it's not your first time on this channel, welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. And if it is your first time, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe after you finish this tutorial, or even right now, don't forget to subscribe and like this tutorial, and please do share it. And one more thing, I would like for you to leave a comment if you enjoyed this tutorial, or if you would like to see any other tutorials. Like I said on my Instagram post, that this September month, it's going to be a month of inspiration. So anything that I see somebody do or somebody wearing, I will do a tutorial of that outfit or whatever it is. It could be an accessory, it could be whatever. So this month is a month of inspiration, basically. So I mean, in our daily lives, we see people wearing a nice jacket, a nice coat, or a nice jeans or a nice dress, and you're like, oh, I'd like to have that. So yep, that's my month. It's a month of being inspired. So into today's tutorial, I was inspired by Beatrice. I hope I'm saying her name correctly. Her YouTube handle is Beatrice, but like Beauty or something like that. Anyways, I'll leave a name on the comment section below or on the description if you would like to follow her. Really, her tutorials are quite easy to follow. She's an amazing YouTuber. She's an amazing tutor, basically. So my jumpsuit is not exactly like hers, but it was inspired by her jumpsuit, which she posted a few days ago. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. If you really enjoyed it, please leave a comment in the comment section below. Thank you.
Let's get right into the video.
For today's tutorial, you'll need a material, tape measure, your scissors, a marker, and a ruler. And here I used about 2 yards of material, and I folded my material into 4. Then I also took a pair of pants that were loosely fitting because I wanted my jumpsuit to fit loosely. I then measured the top part of my chest to the crotch, which was about 21 inches. And here I'm just marking the chest part, so it was the circumference of my chest divided by 4, and then I added about 10 inches. Just to connect the markings, I just used my free hand just to connect the top part and curving the curved part. And I also wanted my pants to be a little bit open, so hence I am slanting the ruler. And don't forget to add the inches of your elastic at the top. So my elastic is about 1 inch, so I added an inch at the top for the elastic. After you have cut your material, you'll first have to just sew on the 2 sides of the curved part. Basically, that's the crotch part, the front and the back. After you have sewn the back and the front of the jumpsuit, you will then have to connect the leg parts. You have to sew all the way from the bottom to the crotch, from the crotch to the bottom. And don't forget to also sew the top part for the closing of your jumpsuit, where you will insert your elastic. And there you have your jumpsuit. And guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial and you would like to see more tutorials, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and kindly give this video a thumbs up, and please don't forget to leave a comment as well, and please do share it if you really enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching.